WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Rain and storms across the region on our Friday. Really not the best afternoon for the backyard pool. Tomorrow, a little bit different story. 92 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds. Now, there may be a stray shower storm out there. I suspect we won't have a lot, but I can't rule it out as we start the weekend. But let's show you where we have rain right now. Pulling east of Carrollton, some pretty heavy downpours. Right along 82 between Reform and Tuscaloosa, Alabama. A little bit of rain still lingering there in southern Lamar County. And we've been watching some isolated showers fall apart in Tishomingo County. Still a little bit of activity there in southwestern Tennessee. As we mentioned, some of that could actually pinwheel back down into northeastern Mississippi. But that's really about it right now. And it looks like it's going to be fairly tame during the evening and overnight hours around here. So that's pretty good as we head on into our Friday evening. A live view in Louisville, Mississippi. We had some storms and some showers earlier. Now 83 degrees looking back to the northwest. Look at that blue mixed in with some of those clouds as we do our sky cam tour. 84 in Tupelo, so not blazing hot, but we are looking at some nice weather, so a little bit of sunshine. We peaked in the upper 80s today. 82 degrees in the friendly city. Just a little hint of some sunshine back to the west. And over in Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy, looking to the east into central Alabama. Notice how the clouds are still very thick over here. Those clouds, those showers, those storms beginning to move on out. So we think the rain exits during the evening hours. Stars and clouds overnight. Pretty quiet. Lows down to around 70 plus or minus here with some light wind. So that is our forecast for tonight. And as we get into our Saturday, a lot of low 90s here across northeastern Mississippi. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. Most spots likely will not see it. 91 in Tupelo, 90 Oxford. Winds from the north and northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for you in the West Alabama, too, right around the upper 80s in Hamilton to about 90, 91, 92 degrees there in Vernon. And again, winds from the north and maybe a stray storm. But Futurecast is picking up on that quiet start here on our Saturday at 7 o'clock in the morning. During the afternoon hours, perhaps the better odds of rain along and south of I-20-59 right here. We'll just see how it all plays out, but we'll start to see a northerly flow here, and that will start to usher in some slightly drier air as we go through time here for the next couple of days. So overall, tomorrow's not looking too bad. As we get into our Sunday, a pretty quiet start. But there will be a little boundary moving on through, and we may see an isolated shower storm. Probably a slightly better chance here on Sunday versus tomorrow. But in general, the weekend's looking pretty good. Early next week, not bad either. Low 90s here, lows into the 60s. We'll take that. Our next best chance for storms probably by the end of next week.